Welcome back, everybody. Driving along I-182, when you see Prosser, you think wine country. But a new health facility is also putting the community on the map. Apple Valley News Now's Dan Hansen tells us why it is the first of its kind in the whole nation.
I tell you what, it feels great. You can just feel the excitement in the air here.
Prosser Memorial Health has been around for more than 77 years, all in the same building. Now, this beautiful new facility is about to bring them into a new era. Prosser Memorial Health began serving the Prosser area and rural communities back in the late 1940s, with the 25-bed critical access hospital dedicated to the memory and service of World War II veterans. In 2017, PMH bought 33 acres of land and began designing a new hospital. But PMH's CEO, Craig Marks, says this is all about dreaming big.
It is the first all-electric hospital in the United States to open up. There are some others that are being worked on, but we're very conscious about resources and fossil fuel usage and things like that. And so this affords us the ability to be all-electric, and quite frankly, electricity is very economical here in the state of Washington.
Mark says the Prosser community is seeing double-digit growth within the last 6 years, and the needs of the community are changing. The hospital is 33% bigger, with room for expansion in the future, which means it can keep growing with the community.
Our goal is we have 33 acres here, and we will be building additional buildings in time as we have the resources.
Walking around inside the new facility, it's easy to see why PMH is excited, and the design is impressive. Bigger rooms for patients, a brand new MRI machine, and a state-of-the-art operating room. Kurt Brockelman, the founder of BC Design Group and lead architect of this hospital, says his team is focused on not only comfort for the patients, but also the family members when they need it most.
This building is one of the most hospitality-driven designed healthcare facilities that we've ever been fortunate enough to be a part of. It does not feel like an institution, and that's intentional at every turn, at every step, at every decision that we made. And we had a client who embraced that vision.
Just as important, the outside of the building and its grounds, meant to be woven into the fabric of the Prosser community.
One of the biggest things that we felt was important was making sure the building stood in with the community, not out from it. So the slope roofs are emulating the hills, right? The colors of all of the materials on the outside, from the stone that is representative of the basalt to the ephes colors that are in tune with the hills during the dry season, so to speak.
Opening day for any team is full of anticipation. And for Marks and his team, it's one full of hope and how they can care for each and every one of their patients. If you had to narrow it down, what are you most excited about at this new hospital?
That's a tough one. Let me think about that for a second. I think I'm most excited for how hard our employees have worked to provide the very best care throughout the valley. And this is an opportunity to thank them and give them better space to care for our patients.
On Saturday, February 1st, the new Prosser Memorial Health is expected to be online beginning at 8 a.m. Reporting in Prosser, Dan Hansen, Apple Valley News Now.